Hi guys, Ron here, out and about outdoors. Hey, we're out here. Oops, we got a little something on the camera lens. Let me get that off. All right, made that look good. Cotton cloth. Good way to clean that, right? All right, hi guys, Ron here, out and about outdoors. Hey, look. Had a couple hours, so we're over here off the Ironton Rail trail. We're gonna do some quick trout fishing. This is stock trout water. I've fished here before, but I don't think I ever did a video here. Right? We're over here, and we're gonna fish the creek here. Should be interesting. Sometimes there's nice trout here. Sometimes there's no trout here. We're dealing with the Pennsylvania Fish Commission, so hang in there. Maybe we'll get some fish, right? Maybe not. Okay, but at least we're out. We're giving it a shot. Okay, let's go. I just want to ease up here, and we'll give this spot a quick couple of tosses. See if anybody's down there. I say fishing this creek here runs down through Caddy. This one done it, I guess, but nice deep hole down in here. You never know. Could be something nice in here. Could be just a waste of my time too. I think I had a bite there. Not sure. Oh yeah, there we go. How's that? Wow. Oh, that was a quick hook up there. Woohoo! Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Guess there's a couple trout down in there, huh? This is a nice rainbow. Don't worry, we're going to put this one back. Beautiful rainbow trout. All right. Oh, see you later, trout. It's not going to be a total washout here today. We got one out of this spot. But you never know. They could have pulled up here today and just stocked it. I'm really surprised to have caught one there that quick, especially that quick. Yeah. I mean, of all the holes here, you think this would be the one they would get hit pretty hard by anglers in the area. So, but a couple trout. Day before Mothersday, and we're still catching. Well, just gotta look around, I guess. Maybe somebody threw that one back. Anyway, got to rig back up because I had to give that hook up. And anyway, I'll bring y'all back when we get another one, if we get another one. You never know. It could have been a fluke, guys. All right, we're all rigged back up. Let's give it another quick toss in here, see if we can get lucky. You know, maybe we got lucky the last time. Some people out here walking. Alright, so maybe we got the one fish out of there, or maybe we just ruined the hole. Who knows? We'll go to the other side of the bridge and try it. Well, on the other side of the bridge looks like a nice spot here to stand and cast underneath. Get down there. It's kind of deep under here, so why not, right? Hey guys, give it a shot from here, huh? I mean, it rained pretty good last night. Temperature dropped, so could be rough, and I might have just got lucky with that one. I had a couple bites over there, but gee, you just never know. Out here looks potentially good, so we're going to give it a little attention. If we can't get in here where we can cast out and let it float around in there. All right. Looks like we can walk down here. We take our time. Don't know if that'll spook anything or not, so Take my time getting down there. I don't really want to disturb that big disturbance trying to get in here. Deep hole right there at the base of that tree. Come around here just right. So far, there hasn't been a lot of trout. We got one on the first cast, and some people look at that like I do, maybe. That's a bad omen. First cast, first fish. Usually not much after that, right? We shall see. Anybody else is out there. Should have brought my boots. We could have went in above the pool or down below the pool. Oh, not lucky there. Maybe. Well, you know, I guess I'm not supposed to fish. I don't know. I got lucky though, huh? Got it all back. Alright. Went right in the spot there. What is a sweet spot? Don't know. Ooh, we got one. Look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, how about that? We were lucky enough there, huh? Looks like a little brook trout. Maybe a little brownie. Woohoo! Definitely a stock trout, but to be honest with you, I didn't think I'd get anything here. Maybe. I thought maybe. Look at that. Nice pretty thing, huh? Nice. Nice little, that's two. Two little trout. Oh, go back. Alright. Give it another spot. Give it another shot. What do you think? We got one out of there. Could be two. I got another worm here I can try. I don't see too many people out here fishing. Most people think there's no trout stocked. All the waters are cleaned up. Nobody's doing trout videos on YouTube hardly. Everybody's going into bass and panfish, and I don't know why. There's trout out there. I think most people were trout anglers. Anyway, I like trout. They're feisty. You can get them in ditches like this. Well, anyway, let's see. See if we can get lucky here and maybe get another one. Alright. Right in the hole. Right in the sweet spot. Right in the hole. Right in the sweet spot. One more cast, and we'll move down to another spot. I think that little brown trout was in there a while. Yeah. You know I got to do at least one more, right? At least one. It's telling me to get out of here, I'm thinking. Oh, we got something nice there. Woohoo! Look at this thing. Wow. Woohoo! That's a nice one. Look at this. Wow. I don't think anybody thought I was going to get that in here, huh? Look at that rainbow there. Woohoo! That's a beauty. Wow. Huh? What do you think? Wow. He may be a stock fish, but he's a nice fish. Alright. Nice rainbow. Alright. That was amazing. That was amazing. There's a couple more spots down further here. I'm thinking I'm going to walk down a little further and see what else we can find. We got another hour or so to fish before my wife expects me back for dinner. All right, so let's go. Let's go see what we can get out of this Coplay Creek. All right, guys, I'm gonna try fishing in this little run here. It's a little difficult maybe to get into, but we'll give it a shot. I'm gonna try to actually throw out here so I drift in around below this little bit of a dam that goes across here, the little rock riffle. Because I think down over there could be a couple nice, could maybe be a couple nice fish down in there, you never know. And up here, I mean, that's a nice little deep spot there. We'll try up here first, then we'll try below. Oh no. There we go. Nothing. No. Let it drift around down there then. Oh boy. That was a pretty nice rainbow I got in that last one. Certainly didn't expect to catch that. Like I said, I don't know when the last time they put any fish in over here. If they did, I mean, it could have been that they stopped from that bridge down and all these fish are fish that ran up the creek on their own. You never know. Trout are so unpredictable sometimes. Well, I think this is just too shallow in here. Just too shallow. I'm gonna go up above this, see what's up further. All right. Fish on, guys. Woohoo! Got another one. Let me see if I can catch up to him. He's coming up this way. Ooh, nice brownie. Look at that. Yeah, nice brownie. Look at that guy down there, huh? A beauty, ain't he? Coplay Creek. It's a stock fish, but he's still a really nice brownie. Wow. All right, let's get him up here. Get him back.
Catch any more? Oh, there you go. Nice.
Wonderful.
That's nice
Yeah,
one.
that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Keep him.
Oh, no, I'll put him back.
Yeah.
Nice catch.
Nice brown trout, yep.
Yeah, he's good.
There he goes. Still hanging out there. He's in no hurry to run away. Just to find out what happened to him. I caught you. All right. Let's try and see if we can get one more. Flipping way down in there. Can't get out there any other way, so. Really surprised how many fish I caught today. That was 4. I got one more, and that's a limit. I got a limit here. And that trout's still hanging out there. Watch. Right down there. Just hanging out. Probably doesn't know what happened to him. A lot of barn swallows here. Guess they're trying to get stuff off the hatch off the water. Not that brownie left now. Must have figured out what was going on with him, and nice fish though, huh? Coplay Creek. You hear the Ranger Rod and Gun Club up over there. I think that's what that is. I'll keep going down through here. Maybe we'll get a couple more yet. It's almost time to head home, but I'd really like to see if I can't get that limit. Why not? Mother's Day limit, we could call it almost. Day before Mom's Day. Catching the limit. My mom used to like to go fishing with me. Yeah, when we were kids, my dad, and she'd load us all up in the truck. We'd pack a lunch, picnic lunch, you know, and we'd go up on the banks of the Susquehanna River, stay up there all day, hanging out, catching all kind of stuff, rock bass, smallmouths, walleyes, catfish, you name it. Used to have a great time doing that. Haven't done it in a long time. My buddy Harry, he don't like to take his boat up there. It's a little far. You know. Been looking into getting a new boat. So, hey, I get back to doing some of that again. Right now, though, I'm on the banks, fishing from the banks. We're only got a little bit further we can go there, and we'll be out of the park up there where I want to go to anyway. It's easier to come in from the other end. So let's fish down through here a little bit yet. I don't know if we had anybody on there, but kind of felt like it. Kind of felt like I lost my last split shot was going to happen. All right. Well, looks like it's going to be a 4-fish day, guys. Oh, hey, look, we had fun. Yeah, we did a couple different spots that I haven't been to in a long time. Coplay Creek. Seems like it's got a few fish around here. So, alright. Hey, thanks for coming along. And, we'll see you out here next time. Whoa. Look at that one, guys. That's a wild one there, huh? It's a beauty. Get it back. That's 5. They said we couldn't do it. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. She just wants to run around. Yeah, so that was about it. We got 5 nice trout. We hiked about 1.5 miles, I guess, up the trail. Turn around and walk that 1.5 miles back. It's kind of hard on the old bones, but we made it. It was a pretty nice day. So, I'll have to get out there again, try it again. That's not too bad. It's a nice level park. They really fixed the trail up nice up through there. It's macadam. Got to watch out. Lots of bicycle riders, though. Like to go up down there. But it is pretty nice right along the creek. So, yeah, Coplay Creek, Ironton Rail Trail. You ever out that area, give it a try. You might like it. I enjoyed my time there. There weren't a whole lot of fish. I mean, 1.5 miles to get 5 fish is, kind of excessive. But hey, anyway, this is the last day for the trout package giveaway. Right after this, we're going to be giving it away. Stay tuned for a giveaway drawing. And hey, hope we'll win. You take care now. God bless you.